On this eggplant, an unusual partnership is at work. Ants, the tireless farmers of the insect world. These are keeled treehoppers, a mother and her young. They pierce the leaf to sip the plant's sap. But what they cannot digest, they release as honeydew, a sugary reward for the ants. With a gentle touch, the ant milks a drop or two of this precious sweetness. In return, the ants serve as loyal bodyguards, driving away predators to protect their herd. They even herd and escort treehoppers to fresh stems, moving them like tiny livestock, a living farm thriving on the sap of the eggplant. Remarkably, ants may have discovered farming long before humans ever did. On this small plant, an ancient alliance unfolds, ants and treehoppers farming together,